you ever felt this way? When stir-frying, the dish will not be tasty enough without a strong, big fire. When cooking soup, there will be many problems that make you feel worried, such as a flame dying out or the soup spilling out without a stable, soft fire. Fotile finds that the control of fire during cooking is the most important way in Chinese cooking. Besides, the safety, clean, and humanized design of stove is equally important. EPS burner. Continue innovating based on 5 nozzle-driven and achieve good cooking experience by 4 major performance breakthroughs. Firepower breakthrough: more powerful, more stable. When combusting, flame will be affected by environmental factors such as imbalanced air pressure, insufficient oxygen supply. Fotile gas stove is committed to solving these 2 problems. In 2003, the stable combustion was achieved by uniform flame arc technology. In 2006, the pure green fire was achieved by 5 nozzle without damper technology. In 2009, the permanent green fire was achieved by 5 nozzle safety fire technology. The brand new EPS gas stove can create perfect fire of more powerful and more stable. The Big Fire has 3 outstanding performances that are guaranteeing more powerful. Due to high efficient power, more heat is generated. Large power and high heat efficiency is the key to the Big Fire. Traditional stove is difficult to achieve a balance simultaneously. EPS stove has high effective power with 4,850 watts, which exceeds 38.5% of national standards. The triple high-efficiency mixing is adopted and the high efficiency over 60% is achieved. Air intake refers to that collision of jets technology that can inject lots of air, impact sufficiently and mix intensively in injecting management. In 2008, the collision jets technology obtained National Invention Patent. The non-collision mode was adopted in the air intake of traditional stoves. Mixing efficiency is low. When mixing, gas and air pass through lengthened inject tube to enter pressure-stabilized pre-mixing space for storage. The pre-stored air can be mixed continuously and fulfill the chamber to form a stabilized pressure to jet uniformly. The air pressure fluctuation to air inlet cannot affect the flame status. The mixed gas of traditional stoves directly passes the mixing chamber to the fire outlet without a stabilized pressure and pre-stored structure design. The air pressure fluctuation causes unstable fire. When combusting, the secondary air can be completed sufficiently through an oxygen complementing channel of 11 mm high. Oxygen accumulating burner cap can accumulate the air to form over large oxygen accumulating zone to achieve sufficient combustion. The carbon oxide emission is less than 300 ppm. The traditional stoves have many fire rings, lack of oxygen in central area, and appear with red and yellow tips when burning. So much heat lost and fire is poor enough. 2. Burners gather more energy, being close to the pan without fluttering fire. The size of the burner of Fotile stove has been subjected to 3 times of energy gathering upgrade, from energy gathering balanced control 130 mm, fire nozzle driven 120 mm, to EPS 110 mm. The burner is more suitable for domestic cookware. The angle of the fire outlet is upgraded from a 25.5 degree flame angle to a 40 degree efficient flame angle, with the outer flame directly reaching to the bottom of the boiler. These measures gather more energy when ensuring the combustion. The size of a traditional stove is a little large, with more heat consumption in actual use. 3. Direct injection large fire outlet is powerful to the pan bottom. Fotile stove solves the impact of air pressure fluctuation on the flame through direct injection technology. The pressure-stabilized pre-mixing space pre-stores the gas and continues to mix simultaneously with keep stable air pressure. U5 high-pressure injectors pressurizes and accelerates the gas to jet uniformly. The super-large fire holes ensures that the root of the flame is stable and the flame is powerful all the time, even when there is air pressure fluctuation. For the soft fire, 2 key designs ensure that it is more stable. The heat-preserving soft fire of 280 watts realizes the minimum power of 280 watts through reducing the air output of the valve, and a little amount of the gas can keep burning. The distance between the thermocouple and the inner ring burner cap is improved. The temperature of the soft fire is sensed precisely, and the soft fire is hardly extinguished. Design of double flame stable rings. In the process of adjusting the flame, there is supplementary fuel gas at the root of the flame, so the flame is hardly extinguished. Through these technical innovations, the EPS stove realizes the excellent fire power characterized in that of the fire is more powerful and more stable. The safety breakthrough of 12 safety guarantees. The integrated silicon aluminum alloy burner ensures consistent cold and hot expansion coefficients. Safety ignition cover plus fast ignition. They will protect the ignition needle and ignite quickly. Guide hole. One takes the burner cap without misplacing it and uses it safely. The copper gas tubing is unlikely to be corroded and the air tightness is good. The anti-flashback shield avoids internal backfire. The gas and electricity separate boxes avoid hidden dangers caused by the gas-electric hybrid. The waterproof cover prevents the soup from flowing into the valve and guarantees no ignition failure. The flame failure device can automatically cut off the air supply when the flame is extinguished accidentally. Child lock. The air supply is turned on only after the knob is pressed down. 3 layers of gas tightness detection, layer by layer detection, ensures no gas leakage. The high-end anti-explosion panel makes everything safe and sound. The mother set power connection protects the terminal of the power line to ensure no electric leakage in long-term use. These measures create the 12-layer safety technology for the Fotile EPS stove. Cleaning breakthrough, easy maintenance, and upgraded movable cleaning cup. Double handle design is more convenient for fetching. The beveled backflow hole is designed by adopting a bevel of 1 degree, so the soup flown into the internal part is also cleaned easily. V-shaped corner ensures better sealing between the panel and the table board. The easy cleaning stainless steel panel is resistant against oil, dirt, and handprints, and the cleaning property is greatly improved. The design breakthrough is convenient and amiable. Timer function. 10 seconds later after the knob ignites the fire, the timing function can be started by long pressing the screen lock button for 3 seconds. Adjust the time by pressing plus or minus. Long pressing the button can realize 5-minute fast regulation. Time can be set for as long as 99 minutes. Automatically cut off the air supply after the timing is finished, which is convenient and amiable. The anti-skidding boiler support ensures no slipping of the boiler in use. The knob sealing sleeve prevents the soup from flowing into the internal part of the stove. The sealing strip ensures no hygienic dead angle between the table board and the panel and makes convenient and comfortable in use. The EPS burner, performance breakthroughs. It not only realizes the excellent fire power characterized in that more powerful, more stable, but also brings a completely new cooking experience.